How to link EA account to NBA Lite Mobile. If you want to save your progress in NBA Lite Mobile, then you can easily try and connect to your EA account. First of all, launch open NBA Lite Mobile game on your device and wait for it to fully load to the main home screen. Also make sure you are connected to the internet, and once you're inside this page, go to the top right corner and tap on the gear button. Now, this will open up the profile section under accounts. Go ahead and choose EA Sports option under link accounts. This will take you to the EA Games login section where you need to go ahead and enter the credential for your EA account. If you don't have an EA account yet, you can tap on the Create Account button at the bottom to create one. For logging into your existing EA account, in the email address box, go ahead and write down your email address associated with your account. After you are done, click on Next and you'll receive a verification code sent to you via email inbox. Go check your email inbox and you'll receive a code from EA. After you do that, click Submit, and within a few seconds, you'll be able to sign in to NBA Lite Mobile with EA account. After signing in, the game will confirm the account is linked, and once it is connected, your progress will be now backed up. So that's how you easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.